Hey everybody, it's Joshua Berry here from thedigitaldugout.com. Today we're going to be looking at how to add a web page to your Google site. There are four types of templates that Google allows you to choose from, which are a web page, an announcements page, a file cabinet page, and then a list page. And we're going to be taking a look at each one of these. We're going to be creating each one of these onto a Google site so you can have a better understanding of the functionality of each page. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and log into my Google account, my Google Sites page. Okay. Now here I am, and here are all the sites that I could work on. But the one I want to work on is show me how to create Google site. Now we just created the site and it's still got a lot of building that needs to be done. So this is a perfect canvas for us to build our site up on. So right here in Google Sites, you will notice that there's this little new page icon. So we're going to go ahead and click on that to add a new page. And we're going to name our page. Let's just go ahead and name this web page. Okay. Now, right here are our different templates, as I was mentioning earlier: web page, announcements, file cabinet, and list. We're going to go ahead and choose web page. And web page is pretty much a blank canvas that allows you the flexibility of designing however you'd like and adding many different web elements to it. So let's go ahead and click web page. Right here is where you can select a location of your page. I'm just going to put that at the top level, and we can always customize this later in the navigation bar in future tutorials, but for now let's just go ahead and keep that at the top level, and it's as simple as hitting create. And you will notice that it automatically generates in our navigation bar here to the left. So we can start adding content by typing if we want, but for now let's just keep it like that, web page. Alright, so you'll notice that we have a blank canvas here that we can just create add all kinds of types of content to. So let's go ahead and create a new page again. Let's name this one announcements. Okay. Of course, we're going to choose the announcements template. And the announcements template is basically a blog. It's a blog style template that allows you to create an ongoing journal entry type of web page. So again, I'm going to keep that at the top level and hit create. Alrighty. Now here we can create a new post. People can subscribe to your posts. And if we create new post, we will be able to edit title, edit our title. Hello, welcome to my new Google site. Okay. Here are your editing options. We'll explore those later. There's a lot of really cool things in here. We'll go ahead and hit save. Oh, well, actually, I'm just going to copy that, put that in here. Do not save draft. If you save draft, it won't publish it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Okay. Now I have my my announcements page and my first announcement. So I'll hide those announcements though. So let's go ahead and continue with a file cabinet. File cabinet. Now, a file cabinet template allows you to upload files for other people to download. So it's really beneficial for file sharing or backing up files, and without having to necessarily send email attachments and you're exploring other options. So this is a great way to share files over the internet. We are going to put that at the top level again. And again, we will show you how to customize the navigation bar later, but we'll go ahead and hit create. Now here you'll see that we can add files. If we add a file here, We can choose a file from the web or directly from our computer. And hit upload. We can add a file description, but we won't do that now. We can always delete files, and more of that to come. Finally, a list. We will hit a new page. We'll call this, I like to use lists for like team rosters. So I'll put team roster here. We'll put list, okay, and create. Alrighty, so here there's a different templates that we can use. We can create our own template. We got some action items, an issue list, and a unit status. I'll let you explore those on your own. But again, the templates that I typically use the most are announcements, file cabinet, and web page. Web page, by far, I use the most because it allows, again, for the most flexibility. So before I let you guys go, I want to show you guys a sample of how I've used these pages on a site that I've already created here again. Let's see here, my Skirball Tech site. So this is a class website that I created for my students when I was a 7th grade technology teacher. Now you'll notice that here's my landing page, my home page, and this is just a web page right here. It allows me to add slideshows, a blog feed, pictures, texts, YouTube videos. So again, there's different elements on this page that only a web page template will allow you to do. Announcements here. Whenever I had class announcements, I always use that announcements page to notify students and parents of homework and any outstanding assignments or upcoming dates that they may need to know of. And let's see here, my file cabinet was where I uploaded a lot of my PowerPoints, handouts, lessons for students to be able to access on their own. So this was like a hardware software unit, and they were able to just view or download the lesson here. I just chose view. So rather than having to send this out to everybody via email, they just went onto the file cabinet and were able to view it from the file cabinet. So that's how I've used these pages or templates before, and I'll go ahead and let you explore some ways that you can use it in the future. So thank you for watching, and again, Josh Rivera from thedigitaldugout.com, and thank you so much.